Alright, we're back here at the car wash and we're scrubbing the seats with laundry soap to try to get the, I mean, they're pretty clean, but they have kind of a little bit of a smell to them. So I've removed them and we're scrubbing them with laundry soap, and then we're going to use like fabric softener on them and clean them up. And the cool thing about this car wash, which I've never seen before, is it actually has a soap feature. Sabon means soap. So if you put 5 pesos in this machine, you get soap out, and I can spray soap on these carpets, and we'll let it sit and soak. And hopefully it'll clean it up a lot better and they'll smell a lot better, because they don't smell good right now. Is that it? Wow, that didn't last very long. Okay. So you get about 1 minute of soap for 5 pesos. Oh well, we'll put in 5 more. No big deal. These carpets sitting soaked with all this soap in them.
Is it coming from the machine, or did you put soap when it's soaked?
Yeah, it's inside the machine. It gives you soap instead of water, which is good because these carpets are really dirty. Man, that's not very long. It doesn't give you very much soap, that's for sure. But that's all right. It's only 5 pesos. Whoop, that's a 20. Wait a minute, I don't want that one. Sprinkled some laundry soap on these carpets too to start with. So that'll help.
Can you
Alright.
please help me fill it out?
You got the seats clean?
Not yet. This one here in the front, not yet in the back. Yeah, it's finished, but here in the front, no, not yet. Can you please fill it up for me?
What?
Fill it up for me. Fill it up.
Do what?
Tilt it up. I can't tilt it.
Oh, okay. Well, here, hold this.
So it's been down. It's been down right now, so I can't properly wash it.
Hold that
brush
and I'll
it.
tilt the seat.
Look, I'm sweating.
There you go. Is that what you wanted?
More.
This one done?
Yeah.
Is the problem?
What?
There it goes.
Can you also make it like that? Like a little bit more tilted so I could clean
What's
it up.
wrong?
Like that. It's not really the same.
What? I don't understand what you're saying.
Look, is it the same right now?
Yes, they're the same.
Okay.
You're done. Which one are you done scrubbing?
You could tell though. You could tell just by looking at it. Which one is more clean.
Okay. All right, don't worry about those headrests, Iris. We don't need to clean those.
It's already clean. I already cleaned them up.
All right, well, don't worry about them. Let's scrub the seats. I already scrubbed those anyhow with the broom. We got to scrub all this off and trying to get this interior of this car to smell better. I mean, it ain't terrible, but you can tell after the car's been closed up and you go out and get in it and roll the windows down, it does smell bad, a little bit bad, not terrible, but I mean, compared to when we first got this car and it had literally had 4 to 6 inches of mud in the floor. And the seats were covered with mud. You saw that in the video. So the fact that we're doing this is going to help a lot. And when we're done scrubbing, we can take fabric softener and put it in the bucket and scrub them down with fabric softener, and that'll make them smell even better. Just letting this soap sit there and soak into them is good. Irish is a good helper. All right, I'm going to set up the tripod. You guys can kind of watch. Let's see. Where's the tripod at?
Look, Helper, I'm your wife.
What?
I'm a helper, I'm your wife.
I said you're a good helper. Is that a bad thing to say?
No.
Well, I didn't think so. All right, we'll scrub on these seats. And the carpet. Yeah, but I'm just doing this to get it started, Irish. This will help bring up the dirt. I definitely need you to struggle with that when you're done with the seats.
I have to leave my barefoot, but it's dirty here.
Well, you're scrubbing this, I'll rinse the seats off. Okay, the left view.
This thing might somehow will be fine, yeah.
You can see back there the soap is actually turning brown because there's still like a river mud in the carpet. So I'm glad we're cleaning and scrubbing the carpets like this. That's probably a lot of that smell, is that mud still in that carpet. So we're cleaning that up. That's good. As soon as she's done with that, I'll have her start brushing the carpet with the heavy brush that she's using, and then I'll start rinsing these seats off.
Can you get in with a spray?
What?
Spray here?
Honey, yeah, when I rinse it off, I'll spray that. I'm not worried about it.
A little bit.
Well, just get what you can, honey. Don't worry about it. You don't have to get it perfect, okay? Just get what you can. And the soap in there is going to help a lot. The soap in there is going to start breaking up that dirt. When I spray with the sprayer, it'll break that dirt up and remove it. Wow. That was definitely not easy to do.
Here. Done.
Good? Okay, I don't know if there's any lights in there. I hope there's lights. Well, there are lights. I hope they work. But anyhow, you gonna start working on the carpets now?
Yes.
Okay, so she's gonna start working on the carpets while I rinse the seats off. One of these seats. You're gonna get a lot of brown out of them carpets because there's mud in them, so I'd be surprised if brown comes out.
That too, there's a lot of brown in there.
Yep.
Brush it off. Brushing it off.
All right, so we'll let her scrub the carpets a little while, and then I'll work on rinsing the seats, and we'll come back a little later and make another video, or we'll make another segment of this video and show what. Hopefully things are looking a lot better. I still got to pull the back seat out, and we got to scrub it too. So we're not done. We got a ways to go. Gonna be here a little while. Anyhow, we'll be back in a little bit. Starting to get dark now. We've been scrubbing this thing for a couple hours. The carpet is just really nasty. We'll just keep scrubbing it. All the soap's turning brown. Got the seats cleaned. After we clean them with soap, then we brought fabric softener with us, and I put fabric softener in that bucket, and I use this broom thing we have here, and spread water all over the seats with fabric softener in it, so now they should smell really good. And then I rinsed them all off, so they're clean. They're just drying, drip drying. So we got that done. This seat here still needs to be done. I've sprayed it and scrubbed it with some soap initially, but it needs to be cleaned more with a brush, like what she's doing there. And then the carpet that goes in the back. The carpet that goes in the back is right here, and it's done. We're just waiting for it to dry after letting it drain, the water drain off it while we're scrubbing everything else. We'll throw it in the car, and tomorrow I'll have to park this thing. Hopefully it won't be raining. I can park this thing out in the sunshine and roll the windows down a little bit and let it sit in the sunshine, and the warmth from the sun will help dry out that interior pretty well. And then we can take the seats back out again for the fifth time, and put the carpet in, and then put it all back together. So then the other problem I have is the guys that did this the first time that I paid all that money to clean it, they took all the screws out of the seats, and they took all the retainer clips out of the trim, and I guess they just threw them away because I never got them back. I got 4 seat screws for the front seats, and it takes 8. It takes 4 in each. I only got 4, and I got 4 screws for the back seat. So I got this, or nuts actually for the back seat. I got the nuts for the back seat. I only have 4 screws for the front seat. I got to get 4 more. And when I put the plastic trim in, I don't have any of the trim clips for that, so I got to go try to figure out how to buy them, and because all the trim's just going to be sitting there, none of it's going to be attached. Oh, and another thing I'll tell you guys that happened. We were driving down here the day before yesterday. We were driving down here to do what we're doing now, and I went to turn around, and the steering broke. The steering shaft came loose from the power steering rack, and there's 2 U-joints underneath the dash. You can't see them because it's dark, and I don't have them out of the light. So anyhow, they're under there, and they were all gummed up with mud and stuff, and they weren't turning very well. So when I turned the steering wheel really sharp to try to turn around, and the steering popped loose, and I was sitting in halfway in the road and halfway out of the road with the steering broken. And luckily I have my tools with me, so I was able to get underneath there and kind of temporarily put it back together enough to get us back to the hotel room. And yesterday I had to take the whole steering column out, take all the U-joints out, clean them up, lubricate them, and put all that back together. And you guys probably noticed before that the dash was like all muddy inside. I took the instrument cluster out. I've got it in the apartment, in the condo, and we'll clean it up later and put it back. So that's something else we got to do. But this car is looking a lot better. It's just still very dirty, but hopefully this will help a lot with the smell and get more of that dirt out of there. When I sprayed off that trunk carpeting, when I rinsed it off, I got quite a bit of dirt out of it, and this carpet here's got even more than that in it. So as soon as she's done with this and she starts working on that back seat over there, then I'll rinse this off and we'll hang it up and let it drip dry too, enough to put it in the car so we can go home later. But anyhow, that's where we're at. Just wanted to show you guys. So we're still working on it. It's a very tedious process to clean this car up. You buy a car that's flooded, and there's always dirt and water everywhere you don't think about. So, but it's getting there. It's looking better. So anyhow, we'll talk to you guys later. It's getting dark. We're probably not gonna be able to see much very much longer. But anyhow, looks pretty good. The front seats look great now. They should smell good too with that fabric softener in them, I'm hoping. So, all right, guys. I appreciate you watching. And when we I'll make a video of me cleaning up that instrument cluster. I'll show you guys how to do that if you want to know how. Oh, got a mosquito bite. And I'll make a video of that instrument cluster cleaning it up, and we'll just keep scrubbing on this, and it's getting better and better. The car runs pretty good. It doesn't run great. It has a couple of little issues, but I'm pretty happy with it. The other day when they polished it up, it looks a whole lot better, especially in the sunshine. I can't really show you now, but the paint looks a lot better. It's got some damage to both bumpers, but I mean, it's an old car. I'm not really worried about that. Irish wants me to paint them, but if I can't find paint to match, I'm probably not going to worry too much about it. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye. Say bye, Irish.
Bye. So tiring.
Yeah, she's exhausted. I think I got to give her a massage tonight. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.